Hi everyone and welcome back to Life with SCG. So my name is Sarah and today I'm going to show you how I built an outdoor shelving unit so that I could put my houseplants on. I had a lot of them, they were taking over inside, and I don't know, the idea just came to my head one day whilst I was on break. So I had a lot of wood already from scavenging local building sites. They throw a lot of pine out, which is perfectly usable for a lot of projects. So it was laying around, went and scavenged some more. I'm not going to show you any of the actual skills. You shouldn't be learning those off me. I did go onto YouTube and learn from others for that, but I guess the purpose of this video is it's just pretty much going to be B-roll time lapse of me putting it all together. It was a bit of a puzzle. I just sort of chucked stuff where it sort of seemed like it would fit, and it came together pretty well in my opinion. It looks good, I'm happy with it, and you might get some inspiration. So let's get cracking. All right, so before we crack into the B-roll, let's have a squeeze and see what I was searching on YouTube. Just a little plant stand. Little. How to build a plant stand from scratch. Nailed it. Wooden plant stand ideas. All right, you get the drift. Let's crack into the B-roll and maybe you'll get some inspiration. If I can do it, you can probably do it.
My father told me I was timid child. At the school they said I had no style. I was dreaming to be those cool kids, but I can't afford my whole teenage life. Now I've been many places, all these years I used to cry overnight, but now I'm not gonna fit. I guess the star that show me where I go, just like I knew you were.
And I'm fluttering sounds and sounds and smiles. Oh, we're coming home tonight. You never know how to express your feeling, don't you? Oh, we're coming home tonight.
My father told me I was born to run. Long way from home, he never doubt his son. Don't call me back until your dreams come true, but I pray for you, be always by your side. Now I've been many places, all these years I used to cry overnight, but now I'm not gonna fit. I guess the star that show me where I go, just like I knew you were. It's nothing but a simple song. Don't worry, Daddy, I ain't coming home. And life is nothing but a simple song. Don't worry, Daddy, I ain't coming home.
What you up to, buddy? Such a hard day, hey? Alright, so if you made it this far, thank you for watching. Hopefully someone got something out of it, and if you want to see more of my crazy creative projects, then come along for the journey. Feel free to click subscribe. We can be friends, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Bye.